up, guys. Different day, different weather. Ayer estaba bien caliente, ahorita está fresquecito. Y supuestamente que dice, lock your doors y no sé qué, babe.
The windows. Shut your windows. Be precautious of your door.
Y va a ser una chispeada nomás.
There's classes from 10 to 8.
Yeah, but
I teach 12 to 4. I might say till about 5:30ish. Finishing 2 programs and then I'm done. Or 5. No, an hour. Because I might have them done before then. But yeah. There's already people at the studio. There's a big course. Since 10. I have to meet up with someone right now. Just to go over a few details.
Strawberry acai, the best from Starbucks. With extra sweet, easy on the water, easy ice, so you can feel the sweet.
He's special.
Extra. Special.
Very extra.
Oh, I usually get the cheese Danish, but I get more the spicy chorizo. That one's good too. It's not as spicy, but it's good. You get a cold drink so you can
balance
the hot. Whenever you eat it, just take a sip and then it'll drain good. Because if you get a white chocolate mocha and a spicy chorizo, dude, good luck.
Weather's supposed to get really ugly later, or they keep saying it was supposed to start yesterday. It's barely like drizzling right now, but we'll keep y'all updated. It's supposed to be really bad.
Watch the sun come out.
It would in Houston.
Exactly, I was gonna say that.
So we'll catch y'all later.
Peace. So Elyssa wanted it to rain really, really hard, and I guess she got her wish because it is pouring bad. No game. They canceled it, so we're going to go finish up the day at the studio. And I'm telling her that I know classes are gonna cancel because of the weather. It's really, really, really bad. But I mean, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Te dije que se iba a cancelar. Se van a cancelar varias.
No. The show must go on.
We have no light, but classes are still going on. Yes, that's the video.
Look at her music source. My lunch for the whole day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. No AC, no light. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Relax that right hand. 1, 2, 1, 2.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my vlog, bro. Welcome to MTV Cribs. You know, we're hitting up. Go over there to the restroom, you know. Let's go. Come on, All right, guys. What's up, guys? It's Cindy, Z, Elyssa, girl. All right, break room right here. We got some donuts. Want some?
Blackout at the studio because the weather is like extremely bad. We're under a tornado warning.
Welcome to Channel 3 News. Okay, so they told us that we need to do a shelter in place or whatever, so let's go show them our shelter in place room. Okay, everybody, can we all meet in the private room?
Tell them what happened today in the morning.
The most craziest thing happened this morning. So it was 7 o'clock, right? We call it trasnochados. I don't know how you say it in English. Andamos trasnochados in our sleep because we've been sleeping late. So I get up at 7. I'm like, man, I'm tired. I'm really tired. So I pick up my phone and I text my assistant at work and be like, "Hey, dude, I'm not gonna make it. I feel bad. I'm too tired. I'm not gonna make it." He's like, "Okay, that's fine. I'll see you tomorrow." And I'm like, "What do you mean tomorrow?" Like, thinking it's Monday. I thought today was Monday. I'm like, "Dude, it's Monday. I'm not gonna make it." He's like, "You're not gonna work?" "No." Says who? I'm like, "Well, I'm not going." And then he's like, "Dude, today's Sunday." I'm like, "Oh my god." And he's telling me, "You got drunk last night." I'm like, "Heck no, dude, I'm really tired."
We're just tired. We didn't even haven't been drinking.
Man. We went to sleep around 11:30 just to get good sleep, and we still end up tired.
Yeah.
But that's the craziest thing that's happened.
He woke me up telling me, "I thought it was Monday today." And actually, when I woke up, I felt like it was Monday too. It's been a long weekend, but yeah, that happened today.
Man.
So
That's no joke.
it's barely
Not sleeping,
Sunday.
not
Start of the
sleeping
week.
Back in the day, we used to go to sleep at 5 and wake up at 7 to go play soccer, and now I can't even keep my eyes open
No,
at 11:30.
tired.
But oh well.
Oh well.
It's life and it's
Adulting.
yeah. Goals and adulting.
Yes. So, just got out of the studio. We came to Fry's real quick to get some things we need. We're not getting no boost, whatever you said. Studio was kind of crazy today. We had a bad storm, but it was like about an hour long. No light, no AC. Our classes were very cooperative. They were understanding. We all got our work done. Luckily, our lights came back on like around 5 o'clock.
At the end.
It was already like classes ended almost at 5, except for one. Everything's running fine and smooth over there. We have a lot of work. Well, I have a lot of work getting ready for 4 events this weekend. 2 quintas on Friday, 2 quintas on Saturday, and I have to do all the paperwork and music cuts and things like that tonight. Other than that, we're about to go inside Fry's, get the things that we need, and we'll show you.
So este así. So what is this? There's no way. How do you put this?
Did you read the instructions?
No.
Oh, maybe you'll figure it out.
Oh. You put this on your phone.
I don't want to do that.
Me neither.
You're gonna have to put a case on it.
That sucks.
I'll put it on this case, but I'm not on my actual phone.
Oh, I guess I'll put it here. I mean,
You're not gonna sell that phone?
no creo.
Okay.
Look. Here we go.
It won't ever come off.
Yes, it will.
No.
It's just glue.
Ever. Make sure you put it right in the middle.
Right there?
Sure. No, not like that.
Entonces?
I'm joking.
Fuck, I don't want to do that, but oh well.
Are you sweating?
A little bit. We have a mess in this truck.
Ew, you put your saliva.